Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. Right now, I actually have an order into short 200 shares of MBLY at 56.25. So if I can catch some pre-market trading, I don't think I've ever recorded any of this before. So there's the break. Let's see if it can get up there and fill me at 56.25. And then I'll go for, right around a 25-cent gain if I can get it. So I will keep you updated. I actually moved my order up to 56.45. So let's see if it can get up there. Market opens up here in about 6 minutes, so we may get a pre-market fill, but struggling. So I just wanted to update it real quick. I did adjust my order upwards. So I'm up now on the best offer. Nope, now somebody cut in front of me. So it's getting close to my entry point, but still no fill. As I showed, I was the best offer there, but then people are now cutting in front of me again. So we'll see what happens. And now you can see that it's right back down to where I would have liked to cover. You can see there are some prints below 56.10, so it would have been a very fast score. But as you saw, those people jumped in front of me, got a little bit more aggressive than I was, and therefore, they could now be profiting. But always a nice little kind of reassurance to know that I was, right up in the same ballpark of where a quick little scalp trade would have made sense. Market opens up here in 2 minutes, so let's see how the day unfolds. That really hurts now. Now it's trading sub 56 with 55.90s printing, so bummer. Always nice to torture yourself in hindsight, and that's what I'm doing right now, but I'm just trying to pass the last minute by before the market opens up. So let's see what happens with it. Okay, I'm getting close. There we go. I'm filled at 56.65, so we'll look to cash out at 56.40 or build a bigger position if I can. I just scaled in real small for that first entry point, so if it wants to continue on up, that would be fantastic, but no, it decided to just give me 25 cents. So let's see that high. I do want to start over again if it can get up there, so I'll look to short 300 at 57.15 if it can again get up to that area of the chart. So we shall see if it can push up there. And if it does, I will look to start to rebuild a position at that point in time. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, looking for that break of 57. If it gets through there, hoping for a quick little movement up to that 57.15, but it has dropped back down. So let's see what happens here with it. Okay, I picked up some shares here at 56.90 and looking for that breakout of 57. I may have just gotten kind of faked out a little bit there. So we'll see if it can fight back up there, but it gapped up. Now it's consolidating here a little bit. So clearly that wasn't the best entry as I anticipated, and it didn't quite work out. But it's still up here within this consolidation channel. So I may try to load some more up here for a potential break that I still think has a great chance of happening. So I will keep you updated. Okay, I picked up some more shares and brought my average down at 56.51. So I'm looking to cover 500 shares at these different levels up here in the 60s if it can press up into there. So that's what I'm waiting for right now, is a press up into the 60s, which didn't happen. So I will keep you updated. Okay, I now have my order or my average at 56.22, so I'm looking to scale out here if it can push back up here into the 30s. So a surge above 30 will get me about 500 or 600 shares off the table. So let's see if it can push up there through 30. Obviously the high 29s right now are providing some areas of resistance. So that's where it currently stands right now. I will keep you updated. Okay, going for those 30s again. So it looks like I got at least 130 off. So there we got those all off now. And I'm going to just slowly start to scale out now. If it wants to keep working in my direction, all the better. So I have 800 shares left. And I'm just continuing to scale out. Okay, so 500 shares left now. Let's see if it can push back up to get above 40. Well, it seems to be stalling out around here. and now it's back below where it was. Let's see if we can get back up there. There we go. And I am all out. Got to make sure all my orders are canceled. So there we go. So now up to 96. So again, what I did was, I liked the strong move, so I just built a position into this consolidation. And you saw me start to slowly scale out on this candle. However, it just petered out on me. Had it continued to go back up, then I would have scaled out slowly and let it work for me. But looking like this is heading back down as it is right now. So the bounce kind of petered out, but I'm still watching. But like I said, had this bounce continued on up and had it maybe started to get up here, I would have still had a position. But that's why I determined I might as well just unload the rest because I was in the green. So I did that, and now I'm up to 96. So not too bad for only being 13 minutes into the day. Let's see if I can find some more. Well, I alerted this one in the chat room at 9:44, so when it was down here around the 470 mark, and now it's up here at 550, and I'd like to play it, but I just a little too chicken on this one. I feel like I would be chasing, but yeah, I'm not very good. If you've watched my past videos, you've heard me admit it before. Not the greatest on these sub $10 stocks, but I mean, I'm getting kind of caught up here in the excitement, but I think it's a little bit too high right now. So it's one of those where I alerted it to the chat room. So hopefully some members at least took advantage of the alert. Actually, someone had alerted this pre-market, so we've been aware of it since down here, but I just kind of did a re-alert to let everybody know it was indeed moving, and it has moved very nicely, up over, 50 cents in a couple of minutes. But, just too chicken. So I'm watching it, but I just want to let you know, there's nothing wrong with you if you're sitting there saying, not quite sure what to do, if you're feeling a little antsy. But that's the power of charts. I mean, the charts are at least letting me know, hey, I know it's exciting right now, Clay, but, keep in mind where the chart is, a little overextended. And this one very well could keep on moving. I mean, it seems to have lots of momentum behind it. But, I mean, you look at the 5-minute, this thing's overextended. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'd like to just buy in, but, the chart at the same time is saying, just calm down a little bit and see if you can get a pullback. So that's what I think I'm going to do. It's either I'm going to get a pullback and then maybe enter, or it's not going to pull back, and I'm certainly not going to get an entry. But I just wanted to at least share that. So to just give realistic a viewpoint. Not every trader is going to know what to do at all times. But with the charts, it does make the decision easier. So much better to look at the chart right now rather than just throwing a dart at a board and randomly buying. Because right now probably isn't the safest. Down here, right around the 470 when I alerted it, that was fine because it was just breaking out above these new highs. But now you can see we are getting a little bit of a pullback. So I'll see what happens. I've ran it on this one enough. So let's see if I can find some more trades. Going for some shares here on GoPro at 65.30, which is slightly below this 38.2% Fibonacci level. So we'll see if it can pull back there. And again, kind of like, let's see, I'm up on the best offer. Let's see if I can get filled. So I'm in. We'll look to either take a quick 15 cents or potentially build a position into this pullback, which has already happened. I mean, the overall context, is without question bullish right now. So now it's just a matter of seeing, if it's going to just quickly bounce back up off this Fibonacci area or if it wants to pull back a bit more. So I will keep you updated. Okay, it's getting close to potentially cashing me out here at 45. Still some work to do. All right, I will keep you updated. I'd like to catch the exit point, but no promises because this one, as you can see, is very jumpy. So I'll do my best, but all right, back up to 60.42 on the ask. There's my order right there. You can see it highlighted. So I'll do my best, but no promises. Oh, I swear that's how it always goes. So I brought my order down just because it was, you saw it, 60, the 44s would get there and then not budge. So I just dropped it down to 42. And as soon as I do that, it gets filled, and now we have 50s up on the 57s on the bid. So hindsight, it's a great thing. But anyways, not a huge winner there, but I got a 12 cents, I guess. And now I could have had much more. But yeah, so I got taken to the woodshed on that one. If I shoulda, woulda, coulda, that's all I can really say. Going for some shares here short at 49. I will keep you posted on if I get them or not. Well, here's SCOK. Now it's up over $6. So, I alerted it at, what, 470. And then I came to you and vented around 530. Now it's basically up another $1. So it was one of those things where this wasn't quite the pullback I was looking for, so I missed out on it. But a very big winner for the chat room. Whether people listen to the person that alerted it pre-market and got in down around this area, or the people that maybe picked up some shares on my alert around here. A very nice winner for the room. And with that, it is 9:58, so I'm just going to wrap up this video. And so at 3:20 for the first 30 minutes of the day, I'll take it. If you're interested in learning how to trade like this, meaning with candlestick charts and level 2s and everything, the great thing about charts is whether you're looking to sell within a few minutes like I am, or looking to sell within a few hours, few days, few weeks, charts and candlesticks can be applied to all sorts of strategies and whatever your personal time frame and schedule is. That's the beauty of charts. So if you're interested in learning, claytrader.com, you can go to the training section of my site. Look into Clay Trader University. That's a new program I offer. It's bulk pricing. It's well over, you get multiple courses for free when you buy it, and then you also gain lifetime membership to my trading group, which has a chat room, which is what I've been talking about. I send out a weekly newsletter, and it's a very good package for your money. So check that stuff out. But at the end of the day, I'll be the first to admit I am biased. So read some testimonials. Those are all unsolicited, uncompensated. That way you can get a good, fair, outside perspective. And then finally, if you like this video and you're watching this on YouTube, please click the like button down below. If you're watching this on claytrader.com, please click that share button up above. Little clicks like that do indeed go a very long way. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your participation in the community. And if you're thinking about joining the community, please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and remember,